Magan P. Patel to garland Ben Duffy, the representative of our sponsors, St. James's House. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll pass the mic over to Ben Duffy so that he can convey his message on this auspicious occasion.
Namaste, Leicester. Good evening, and on behalf of our CEO Richard Freed and all my colleagues and friends at St. James's House, it is such an honour and a privilege to be the chief sponsor of Diwali Leicester 2017. Thank you so much. And of course, it being a festival of light and enlightenment, all our practices at St. James's House reflect this. Inclusion, equality, diversity, a place where everyone is welcome and everyone can flourish. And of course, just lastly, we've brought with us the Royal Air Force RF 100 Appeal Cookbook, a brilliant charity project and something really to engage with. And please, on the stand just behind you, if you'd like to pick up a copy before you leave, absolutely please do. Our good friend Molly Siegel will happily help you with that. And the only thing I have to say now is Namaste, and of course, Happy Diwali 2017. Thank you so much. Good evening.
Thank you, Ben. And thank you to St. James's House for sponsoring our Diwali celebrations. Now, without further ado, I'll ask our little angel Tara to present a bouquet to Prampreet Kaur Gulati, who is one of our chief guests for switching on of the light ceremony. Incidentally, she is Tara Duffy, Ben. I hope that's no relation to you, Ben. Her surname is also Duffy. Coincidence. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll ask Magan P. Patel to garland Sagar Haria, one of our co-chief guests for tonight. I'll now ask our priest Mahendra Bhai to recite the Vedic mantra to take us to the formal switching on of the lights.
Hare Om Gananandava Gunapati Go Hava Mahe Priyanandava Priyapati Go Hava Mahe Nidhi Nandava Nidhipati Go Hava Mahe Vasu Mama Ahamajani Garabadham Tvamajasi Garabadham Namaste Mahamaye Sri Pite Surupujite Shankachakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namaste Namaste Garuda Rudhe Kala Surubhayam Karim Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namaste Sarvagye Sarvarde Sarva Dukha Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namaste Svetam Dhare Devi Nana Alankara Bhusite Jagastite Jagadmartha Mahalakshmi Namaste Mahalakshmi Bhaver Nityam प्रसन्ना वरदाम शुभम। आज के शुभ अवसर पर आप सबको शुभ दीपावली और नूतन वर्ष भगवान बांके बिहारी और जलाराम बाबा आप सबकी मंगल मनोकामना परिपूर्ण करे। भगवान रामचंद्र जी ने आज के दिन बोला कि धर्म न दूसर सत्य समाना, सत्य के समान और कोई धर्म नहीं है। भगवान आप सबको सत्य की राह दे, सुख शांति आयुष्य आरोग्य ऐश्वर्य और धन प्रदान करे। ऐसी भावना सह सबको दिवाली की शुभकामना।
Thank you very much, Mahendra Bhai. Now then, a very brief announcement for your benefit, ladies and gentlemen. We are now going to switch on the Diwali lights, but before we do that, please note that the fireworks display is going to be an aerial fireworks display. You do not have to move from your ground. Just stand and look up in the sky and you should see the fireworks being displayed. We also have a couple of entertainment items to bring to you after the switch on ceremony. So there will be some entertainment being performed here on the stage. Now we go towards the formal countdown. But before that, I asked Sir Peter Soulsby, our city mayor, to accompany Barry Duffy and both our chief guests to the console, Pyara Singh and Magan Bhai P. Patel, to join them. And next. Right. We will count in the reverse order starting from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have switch off. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. You've witnessed the switching on of the lights on the Golden Mile here in Leicester. The most wonderful lights west of Mumbai. And here we go with the fireworks display. Please observe the firework display, which should last around 15 minutes. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for bearing with us.
The fireworks are aerial display only and not actually on the park.
Ladies and gentlemen, did you enjoy that area firework display? Just look at the Golden Mile. I think around 6,000 bulbs. The lights looks beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue with the entertainment item. Maher Girls Raj Group are here with Priti Varsani, a British-born Gujarati folk singer. They have recently released a Gujarati folk song which was actually filmed on this Golden Mile and produced by Planet Pale. So, can we have a big round of applause from Maher Girls? Can we have a big cheers for Maher Girls?